Okay, right now we power collect, and here is the two line. One is fire line, and one is loud line, and one is earth line. Earth line. And here is the power on, power off, power on, and power on. And here is power already on, and you go to English and enter. And here is the control panel. Start. Double click twice, and start, and urgent stop, and jog moving. And here is for the collector. Collect to the parking machine, and here is the collector counter, and the parking machine you need join to the cable and the compressor pipe there, and here this one also for the collector for the compressor pipe. One is for the collector and one is for the parking machine. And the collector also have the electric pipe. Electric pipe is connected to the cup machine. The paper cup machine, yeah, this is socket and plug and socket. This one, and the paper cup machine, air compressor pipe. And the parking machine is when it's ready, you can start. When it's ready, temperature on, wait the temperature arrival, and we can start. And enter to see, hey, show is not running. And the film, if you want to start, you should double click twice. Double click, and now it start. When it's open, you have double click, you can see it's ready. The machine is ready. The machine is ready. If there is a sensor, the sensor detects the cups coming to the air, and he will start to work. The machine will start to work. And here, if you want to stop the machine, you can lock it. If you lock it, it's not working. You see, it's not working, and you should press stop, and then start. Press start. See, you should enter password. Enter password 1 2 3 4 5. The password, and then you can work now. And then you press start. It shows the machine is ready. You see, the machine is ready. Okay, we wait the cup machine.